is the adventure of the small kitchen.
Hey people, for today's home cooking, I'll be making an oven-baked chicken. So I have already tried this or cooked this before. So today I will be sharing you on how I do it. For the ingredients, we have the chicken. The part of the chicken is with the legs and the thigh. And I have rosemary, olive oil, pepper, salt, and honey. Or you can also use maple syrup, which is the one that I have now since I ran out of honey. So all of these ingredients, I'll put this in the description box. So for your chicken, when you bought this to the store, wash it very carefully. Since nowadays, we never know what virus you can get outside. And then you get a fork and just poke it a little, so that when we marinate this with our sauce, the sauce will go inside the chicken and it will be tender when you bake it. Just be gentle and just little poking, because chicken are easy to cook. And afterwards, you put in a generous amount of salt. And then pepper. Just rub that in with your chicken. We now put in our maple syrup. Or honey. And then our olive oil. And then get some rosemary and add that inside. And then we massage this or just let the marinade incorporate with the chicken. So when you have that, just set this aside for about an hour. When the marinade chicken is ready, we now line it up to our baking pan. And the marinade sauce, of course, you will include that in. And still get some additional rosemary and put it on the side. And take out some garlic. Smash it in. And top it. Put it on the chicken. While doing this, prepare your oven and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or it depends on your oven, because the heating it varies from the kind of oven that you have. Put now our chicken in the oven and bake that for about an hour.
Do you want to know what's simple but tastier? B-roll.
Now taste our oven baked chicken. I bought this hummus dip. Here's for our chicken. Get a piece of chicken. Get some hummus. Blow it. It's hot. Mmm. We taste the chicken without the hummus. Mmm, so juicy. Hot. Mmm, tastes so good, guys. Try it. My home baked chicken with the hummus. Now we get some rice. Bye guys, enjoy!